Hi, this is VZ Pro 3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to add Passkey to TikTok account. Before you get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So let's go. A passkey is a cryptographic key stored on your mobile device that can be used to log in into your TikTok account without having to remember password. Passkey can provide a more secure and simplified login method than traditional password because they take advantage of security feature already loaded on your device such as Face ID, passcode, touch unlock, and PIN. TikTok can access this biometric data and is only notified if the authentication is accepted. So, how if you want to add Passkey to your TikTok account, it's a simple. So first of all, of course, we have to open our TikTok. Now you can just go to your settings by tap on the profile in here. Tap on the upper right corner, the three lines over here. Tap on settings and privacy. Tap on account. And you'll find there is an option Passkey. Set up Passkey to log in with TikTok with Android Face or Touch Unlock. Now you can just set up. You can tap on create passkey. Continue. You can enter your screen lock. So now you have set up passkey for your TikTok account. It's so simple, right? So that is how to add Passkey to your TikTok account. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you.